Welcome to the world of effortless luxury autos. Today, we explore the Rolls-Royce Phantom, an automotive masterpiece that blends timeless design, handcrafted opulence, and powerful elegance. This is more than a car, this is a lifestyle. Luxury exterior design. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phantom, it's clear this is no ordinary vehicle. The signature Pantheon grille stands tall, flanked by laser headlights with over 600 meters of range. The body is massive yet graceful, with the signature coach doors that open backwards, so an iconic touch of theater. Every curve is sculpted for presence. This car doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Luxury interior. Step inside and you're welcomed into a world of serenity. The Phantom's interior is fully customizable, from the finest leathers to rare wood trims. Rear passengers are treated like royalty. Reclining seats, privacy curtains, champagne fridge, and Rolls-Royce's famous Starlight Headliner, creating a starry sky above you. Every inch whispers luxury, handcrafted to perfection. Technology customization. Behind the classic design lies cutting-edge technology. The Phantom offers night vision, a head-up display, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Rolls-Royce's Bespoke programmer lets owners personalize everything from monogrammed headrests to custom art pieces in the dashboard. This isn't mass production, it's one-of-one craftsmanship. Performance. Beneath the hood lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower. Despite its size, the Phantom glides like a cloud, thanks to the advanced air suspension and satellite-aided transmission that reads the road ahead. It's power you don't hear, only feel. Price. Availability. A car of this caliber commands a premium. The Rolls-Royce Phantom starts around $460,000, but with customization, many exceed $600,000. Each Phantom is made to order and built by hand in Goodwood, England. Expect a several-month wait. A luxury, after all, takes time. The Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't for everyone. It's for the few who demand the best and are willing to wait for it. It's not just a vehicle, it's a mobile piece of art. When you arrive in a Phantom, you don't just show up. You make history. If you enjoyed this look into the world of ultra-luxury, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Autos. Let us know in the comments, so what would your dream Rolls-Royce look like? Until next time, ride in style.